Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a Deadpool keycap out of Papa's clay. The first thing you need is a PBT keycap because it has a high melting point. Then take a small piece of black clay and put it on the top of your keycap so you have a flat surface. Then roll out a thin sheet of black clay and very carefully cover your keycap with the clay so you have a nice even coat, and then trim off any excess. Then bake your keycap to get it ready for the next step. Get a small sheet of black and red clay ready and cover them with some saran wrap so that you can cut out a small circle from each. Cut out a small red circle that will fit on top of your keycap, then cut out a smaller circle from your black clay. Make a cut down the middle of your black circle so you can take a symmetrical line out of the middle of the circle to create two halves of Deadpool's face. Bake your red circle and the two black partial halves. Put a very small drop of Papa's clay softening oil on your keycap, then put your red circle in the middle of it. Put a small drop of oil on your red circle and place the two black halves on the red circle and then line them up symmetrically. Cut out two tiny white triangles and then cut them down more and more until they fit on the black part of the mask. Put them on and then align them as perfectly as you can. That's it, bake your clay for the final time, and you can start enjoying your new Deadpool keycap. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.